Let's talk about Hisoka. You all love him, if not you are lying. But anyways, let's talk about Hisoka's Nen. First of all, Hisoka falls under the category of transmutation. It means that he can change the quality of his aura to match something else. That means if Hisoka does the water divination test, he would change the taste of the water. And according to Hisoka himself, transmuters are fickle. They have unique attitudes, and many are regarded as tricksters. They are also hard to read. These are all according to Hisoka's personality test. But it is pretty accurate. Hisoka basically has two main abilities according to the anime. Those are Bungee Gum and Texture Surprise. But he actually revealed a third ability in the manga. I'll explain it last so that the anime only fans won't get spoiled. So let's start with Bungee Gum. So if you already didn't know, Bungee Gum has the properties of both rubber and gum.
NANI?
That's what transmuters can do. Like I said earlier, Hisoka changes his aura to match rubber and gum, and boom, he has Bungee Gum. It is like a sticky rubber band. It is very sticky and elastic. He can activate Bungee Gum from his fingers, hands and feet. Hisoka can also use In. That means he can make his Bungee Gum invisible if he wants. Hisoka can stick that to someone or something and pull it towards himself. Or he can stick the other end of the Bungee Gum to something else and make those two objects hit each other. He can do this at will. Hisoka can either Spider-Man his Bungee Gum to someone, or he can connect the Bungee Gum while making contact with someone. The elasticity of his Bungee Gum is so good that when Razor deflected the dodgeball with Jar Jar and Ken, Hisoka stopped it with his Bungee Gum and sent it back to Razor. The more it stretches, the more force it will create. That's like physics 101. But if he lets his Bungee Gum go, it can be stretched for 10 meters and the Bungee Gum will break. Other than offensive and defensive uses, Bungee Gum can also be used to walk on walls or trees by applying Bungee Gum to one's feet. Hisoka even used Bungee Gum to completely immobilize Machi. Bungee Gum seems such an ordinary Nen ability, but Hisoka uses his Bungee Gum in such a way that makes Hisoka one of the best Nen users in the series. Next up, Texture Surprise. Here Hisoka conjures a piece of cloth and uses his aura to change its properties to anything he needs. Against Castro, after his arm was cut off, he took his arm and wrapped it with a cloth, and it looked like the arm got reattached. And Hisoka can also recreate his lost limbs as well. He even recreated his damaged chin. This is kind of a hack's ability to be honest, because with this, he can keep regenerating himself. Hisoka even used his Texture Surprise to change his fortune as well. This could be how he made that one guy's arm disappear using flower petals. He might have cut that guy's arms and replaced them with Texture Surprise arms and made them disappear into flower petals. I know this is a long shot, but it wasn't explained how he did it though. And if this is right, then that was a huge flex on Hisoka's part. I mean, he could have just cut off his arms, but he gave some effort to flex on the other candidates. And Hisoka also had the nickname Magician, so he could have done that to live up to his nickname. Now then, here come the spoilers. If you don't want to get spoiled, I'll leave a timestamp. Okay, this next ability is something Hisoka tried for the first time when he was fighting Chrollo, and it's called Nen Gum. Here Hisoka stabbed his heart with his own fingers and used his Bungee Gum to wrap around his heart. And he commanded his Nen to keep pumping his heart. And because Hisoka was killed due to lack of oxygen, because he was suffocated, and not due to the explosion, his heart was not destroyed. And because his Nen was acting on a command, his Nen got stronger after he died. And when Shalna, Kotopi and Machi found the body, Hisoka came back to life. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more Hunter x Hunter content. This is your boy Uttevia and I will see you soon.